I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating credentials and environment. This prevents wasted steps later. Check your API token, user session, and server clocks because mismatched timeouts cause abandoned uploads. Next, inspect the file, size, type, and client timeouts, then reproduce the failure with verbose logging enabled. Capture request ID and timestamps so you can trace the lifecycle. Once that data exists, you'll be ready to isolate whether the client, network, or server dropped the upload. You now dig into server and client behavior to find the breakpoint. First, compare request headers, content length, transfer encoding, and keep alive, because mismatches often abort streams. Then examine server logs around the captured timestamps for 4xx or 5xx responses, storage I/O failures, or memory pressure that triggers abrupt termination. Simulate a smaller upload and a different network so you can rule out client-side limits. If you see partial writes, focus on refinish by fixing and hardening the flow so uploads complete reliably. Add resumable or chunked uploads using idempotency keys and build exponential backoff with limited retries. This prevents duplicate writes and reduces abandoned attempts. Once done, run a cleanup to remove orphan partial files and reconcile DB state, then send clear failure notifications. If problems persist, capture packet-level traces, include the request ID you logged earlier, and escalate to storage or networking teams for deeper investigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.